All right, back working on the Chevy Corolla 2001 exterior door handle replacement. Obviously I have the door panel off. Now it's time to get this door handle out. I'm gonna remove that rod from the door handle and try to work this out. I'll be back. All right, 1/4 inch extension with the wobble on the end. Easiest thing to do. Let's see if we can get a picture of it. Get the lock cylinder and then get the 2 handle bolts. Did I mention this car is like one of the easiest cars I've ever worked on? And there you have it. All right, so what I did was I just left that rod on the lock cylinder, fed the handle back through. There you go. Just like new. You'd never even know that. There's a dent there. Perfect.